Video Kiosk has 3 playback scheduling options: using the Android calendar, using Google Calendar, or using an XML file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a playback schedule using Google Calendar. Let's get started. You can set up a playback schedule for Video Kiosk using Google Calendar. This option is easy to implement, but does require that each Android device has internet access. The schedule only has to be updated in Google Calendar, and then each Android device will use the updated schedule. So, if you have many devices, using Google Calendar is a great option for you. If you need help deciding on a scheduling option, refer to the Choosing a Scheduling Option video in this series. You'll find the link below. You can set up the Google Calendar option in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Set up a Google Calendar and add schedule events to it. Step 2. Configure Video Kiosk settings with the Google Calendar to use. Step 3. If you're using a playlist, configure the Video Kiosk settings. And Step 4. Launch Video Kiosk. Here's each step in detail. Step 1. On your computer, open the Google Calendar app for the Gmail account you're using to manage Video Kiosk. Usually, this is the Gmail account you use to download Video Kiosk from the Play Store. If you need more information on how to do this, refer to the article How to Find the Google Calendar Account for Your Android Device in the Help section of our website. You'll find the link below. Create a Google Calendar for the schedule you are setting up. Video Kiosk will execute commands based on the time and optionally the description of the calendar entry. To schedule playback, add an event with the time to start and end playback. You can use the calendar repeat option to repeat this event as often as is required. You can also add commands in the description field of the calendar entry. For more information about the command syntax, refer to the Video Kiosk Calendar Command Reference Guide in the Video Kiosk User's Manual. You'll find the link below. For example, Courtney runs a business education business, and giving seminars is a big part of what she does. She uses digital signage to provide general information, as well as to promote her business. She schedules playback to turn on before and after the seminar and during breaks. She leaves it off during instructional time. She sets up an event each time she wants it to turn on during the day. She then uses the calendar repeat feature and repeats each event for the second day. Step 2. Configure Video Kiosk with the location of the schedule. Go to the Video Kiosk settings, Schedule, Use a Calendar or Schedule, and select the Google Calendar as the schedule location. Step 3. If you're using a playlist, configure the Video Kiosk settings with the playlist to use. Because Courtney shows different content at each of the seminars she gives, she uses playlists to control what is displayed. She sets up a different playlist for each day of each seminar she gives. After she's copied the media and playlist to her devices, she selects the playlist to use in the Video Kiosk settings. For more information about using playlists, refer to the Using Playlists tutorial in this series. You'll find the link below. Step 4. Launch Video Kiosk. Now that Courtney has scheduled playback, here's how her digital signage behaves. On day 1 of the seminar, Video Kiosk begins displaying the promo loop at 8 a.m., switching off at 9 a.m. Video Kiosk then plays the promo loop during the breaks and at the end of the day, switching itself off at the end of each break. It follows this same pattern for the second day of the seminar. This allows the digital signage to run itself, so Courtney can spend her time with her clients. And if she needs to update the schedule, she just opens Google Calendar on her laptop and makes the change. Video Kiosk will then start using the updated calendar schedule on the fly, meaning nothing needs to be restarted. What could be easier than that? For step-by-step instructions on how to use each scheduling option, check out the other tutorials in this series. And for printed step-by-step instructions on how to use all of Video Kiosk's features, download the Video Kiosk User's Manual. You'll find the link below. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment.